In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for data analysis. We will walk through a clear workflow you can reuse. Bringing your data into Claude. Cleaning it up, exploring it. Visualizing it. Working with interactive artifacts, and finally generating code for deeper modeling. Start by uploading structured data like a CSV or Excel file. Give Claude a quick description of what the columns represent and what you want to learn. This context helps Claude spot issues, such as missing values, inconsistent categories, or dates formatted as plain text. Ask Claude to identify and handle missing values, standardize date formats, and flag duplicates or outliers. If you are not sure how to clean a specific column, request a brief explanation of options and their trade-offs. A helpful prompt might be, "Please clean this dataset. Explain the changes you made and show me a small preview so I can verify the results." Keeping column names consistent and avoiding very large files will make this go faster. With a tidy dataset, shift into exploratory data analysis using plain English. You can ask for summary statistics, trends over time, top-performing segments, or comparisons across categories. For example, show mean, median, and distribution for revenue, and highlight the top 5 products by growth. If the results spark new ideas, keep iterating. Ask for deeper breakdowns, correlations between key variables, or a concise narrative of what stands out and why it matters. When you are ready to see patterns visually, have Claude generate charts using code execution with libraries like Matplotlib or Plotly. Be explicit about the variables and the question. Create a line chart of weekly revenue by region with a moving average. If the chart is cluttered, ask Claude to refine labels. Adjust colors or aggregate by week or month. You can request the code and a short explanation so you understand how to modify it later. Use the artifacts feature to keep your outputs organized. Ask Claude to send tables, charts, or clean data previews into an artifact so you can view them in a dedicated workspace. Resize them, and make quick edits without losing track of the conversation. This is especially helpful when you want to compare versions or present results. For advanced tasks, have Claude draft Python scripts for time series analysis, regression, or preparing data for machine learning. Request well-commented code, clear assumptions, and straightforward parameters. You can tune if you need feature engineering, scaling, or cross-validation. State that up front. Run the script, review the output, and ask for clarifications or improvements until it aligns with your goals. That's all to it.